Bullish Litecoin cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $242.84 and $528.85 by 2030. Market examiners accept LTC could reach $242.84 by 2025. Bearish Litecoin market cost expectation for 2022 is $43.17. Litecoin presentation. The crypto market is effectively attacking the daily existences of thousands of individuals on the planet. Each coin brings its ascribes to the table, some of which are more reasonable for explicit use cases than others. One of those coins, Litecoin, was laid out in 2011 and began a long history of development and improvement. This altcoin from the Bitcoin-based universe has become one of the most beneficial computerized tokens to put resources into, as it offers quicker exchanges and lower expenses than most other cryptos. In this cost expectation, we'll feature Litecoin's nuts and bolts and its future as a drawn-out venture. Kindly recollect these LTC cost expectations don't comprise speculation exhortation. Do exhaustive exploration prior to putting resources into any digital currency. What is Litecoin? Litecoin is an altcoin that was presented in 2011 by Charlie Lee to make digital currency exchanges quicker, reasonable, and effective. Named as the silver to Bitcoin's gold, LTC is positioned among the main 20 digital forms of money by market capitalization. Like Bitcoin, Litecoin is a crypto resource that uses a public record to record exchanges and proprietorship. Yet, it varies from Bitcoin in key respect. Its main interest group is a lot more modest. Additionally, though Bitcoin's motivation was to go about as cash for the crypto market, Litecoin was essentially worked to support against Bitcoin's cost instability by permitting quicker exchange times and lower exchange charges than BTC. Litecoin's specialized examination. Your advancement in exchanging relies upon utilizing the suitable system. Thus, it's really smart to try them hard and fast and inspect how well every strategy functions for you. The following are a few exchanging strategies utilizing specialized investigation. Ichimoku procedure. Ichimoku Kinko Hyo is a day exchanging indicator created by Japanese scientist Goichi Hosoda following quite a while of study. There are many apparatuses accessible in the pointer to assist you with precisely anticipating the cost heading. At the point when the cost crosses underneath the gauge, a negative sign is given. On equilibrium volume system. The gauges of the exchanging pointer on equilibrium volume are fixated on the volume stream. Joining the OBV approach with different markers yields the best outcomes as the signs are easy to decipher. An upswing happens when the volume increments, while a slump demonstrates low volume. MACD methodology. The moving typical combination disparity is a pointer that informal investors essentially use to survey the strength of patterns, indicate their bearing, and pinpoint potential defining moments. For instance, the MACD histogram's emotional ups and downs demonstrate that the cost is either oversold or overbought. Subsequently, you could see a cost circle back signal. Holding system. This system's center rule is to cling to the digital money until its cost expansions later on and by no means sell it. Purchasing and holding is the most straightforward speculation procedure and requires no specialized ability. So you don't need to stress over missing out on the drawn-out advantages of LTC assuming you utilize this method. Litecoin crucial examination. Litecoin ventured separated from other adversary digital currencies because of its progressions like quicker block spread speeds and taking on the script hashing calculation. It likewise kept away from a premine, permitting blockchain-based crypto engineers to mine coins before the task is unveiled. One significant component helping it out is its trustworthiness. Subsequently, it is viewed as the silver of the crypto market, a reliable digital money that can be utilized to exchange at a sensibly fair cost since it hasn't had any striking double dealing. The digital money is currently likewise popular with merchants and examiners who exchange on its cost in light of its limited stock and issuance limitation. Thus, LTC can be utilized in a portfolio to give financial backers perceivability to the developments of the digital currency market with practically no undesirable shocks due to its constancy. Since there are lower expenses on the Litecoin network than on networks with robust exchange costs, it guarantees security is a lot easier. It is acknowledged by numerous crypto installment passages and is utilized to buy labor and products also. Litecoin current cost. Litecoin is at present worth $53.96 USD. LTC has moved 0.51% as of now with an exchanging volume of $356,354,734. Litecoin is at present position 20 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $3,865,144,163 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling difference from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Litecoin to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Litecoin value forecast 2022. Litecoin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The LTC cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $80.95. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $75.55 in cost is very aggressive, however it is plausible soon given expected joint efforts and headway. LTC is supposed to have a base worth of $64.76. Litecoin value expectation 2023. In 2023, Litecoin LTC cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of LTC will before long outperform $134.91. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the LTC's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, LTC will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $107.93 and a typical exchanging cost of $118.72. Litecoin value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $188.88 and LTC might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. LTC is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $172.69 and a low of $161.89 in 2024. Litecoin value forecast 2025. Assuming that Litecoin effectively supports market opinion among digital money aficionados, the LTC coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, LTC will be green in 2025. The LTC is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $242.84, with a base cost of $215.86 and a typical cost of $226.65. Litecoin value expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the LTC cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $280.62 by 2026, with a base cost of $269.82 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, LTC has a most extreme value worth of $296.80. Litecoin value forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $334.58. In the event that LTC figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $350.77. Neglecting to accumulate the help LTC needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $323.79. Litecoin value expectation 2028. While LTC is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier